Myself Rashmi, I am studying in 9th standard in Sri Siddhaganga High School.
In this project, we are going to make a pulse rate detection by using monitoring system and Arduino. It will detect the pulse rate by using pulse sensor, and it will also display in LCD display. We used the components like Arduino UNO 16x2 LCD display, jumper wires, wooden board, heartbeat module finger based.
This is heartbeat module finger based. Biometric pulse rate. Operating voltage is 5 volt. Diameter is 0.625. Thickness is 0.125.
There are 3 pins. First pin ground, it is connected to ground of the system. Second pin VCC, it is connected to 5 voltage and it is supply voltage. Third pin signal, it is connected to output signal.
This is Arduino UNO. This is power USB. Arduino board can be powered by using the USB cable from our laptop. All we need to do is connect the USB cable to USB connection.
This is the voltage regulator. The function of the voltage regulator is to control the voltage given to the Arduino board and stabilizer. The DC voltage is used by the processor and other elements. The Arduino UNO has 6 analog input pins. This can read the signal from an analog pin like humidity sensor and temperature sensor. It also converts it into a digital value. It also can be read by the microphone. Pin. This pin is also used to power off the Arduino board from external source like main power source. Ground. There are several ground pins in the Arduino, any which can be used to ground your circuit. Main microcontroller. Each Arduino board has its own microcontroller. You can assume it as brain of our board. The main IC on the Arduino is slightly different from board to board. The microcontroller are usually of ATME company. This is 16x2 LCD display. In this display, 16x2 matrix where 16 are the number of rows and 2 is the number of columns. First pin ground. This is a ground pin of display used to connect the ground terminal of the microcontroller unit or power source.
Pin 2 VCC. This is the voltage supply pin of the display used to connect the supply pin of the power source.
Third pin control pin. This pin regulates the difference of the display used to connect a changeable port that can supply 0 to 5 volt.
Pin 4 control pin. This pin toggles among command or data register used to connect the microcontroller unit pin and obtains either 0 or 1.
Fifth pin read or write or control pin. This pin toggles the display among the read or write operation and it is connected to a microcontroller unit pin to get either read operation or write operation.
Pin 6. This pin should be held high to execute read or write processes and it is connected to the microcontroller unit and it constantly held high.
Pin 7 to 14. These pins are used to send data to the display. Pin 15. Positive pin of the LED. This pin is connected to 5 volt. Pin 16. Negative pin of the LED. This pin is connected to ground.
First we connect heartbeat sensor with Arduino. Then we connect 16x2 LCD display to show the readings. Next, connect the output of the heartbeat sensor model to the analog input pin of Arduino and upload the code to Arduino UNO and power on the system.
The Arduino asks us to place our finger in the sensor. Place any finger in the sensor. In display it shows waiting. After then press the button in the heartbeat module in finger based. The display shows scanning. After 1 minute it shows remove. Then remove your finger from the heartbeat module. Then it shows your heartbeat rate.